Okay, so one more router type in OSPF, ASBR, Autonomous System Boundary Router. If redistribution is preferred, then router ASBR. So today we do redistribution, then I can explain this ASBR. What is ASBR? So never chip condition in OSPF is router ID must be unique, area ID must match, timer must match, and MTU must match. So the point is, what is router ID? Okay, so router ID, it is the unique identification of device in OSPF. Every router has unique router ID in the OSPF. So how to elect a router ID? We have two methods. First one is manually, second one is dynamically. If we want to configure manually router ID, then we have configure. Okay, if we don't configure router ID manually, then it choose dynamically. First, it go for highest IP address of loopback interface. Suppose if we create any loopback on the router, that time highest IP address of loopback interface is our router ID. If we don't have any loopback, then physical interface IP is our router ID.
Sir, what is highest IP address of loopback means what exactly?
Ma'am, loopback local Ethernet. Loopback is
हाँ,
logical interface. So
वो
when we
हाईएस्ट आईपी एड्रेस मतलब क्या, मतलब
means
127 लेते हैं?
ma'am, when we configure, suppose I can configure here what just a minute. If I create two loopback one IP address 127.0.0.1, not a valid host address. Okay, I can give for an example. And another loopback is interface loopback 2, and the IP of this loopback is 2.2.2. So it means 2.2.2 is become our router ID because this one is highest IP. Okay, ma'am.
ओके सर.
With us?
सर, इफ यू डोंट माइंड, आप थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेनेशन जो है ना, थोड़ा सा स्लो आप बताएंगे तो अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि
So next one is OSPF timer. First time is hello time. It means every 10 seconds OSPF generate a hello packet. Second timer is dead time. When we don't receive any OSPF hello packet from neighbor, then we will wait for 40 seconds. Then we remove route from the routing table. So this is dead time, 40 seconds. Process ID. The OSPF process ID is a numeric value. A router can have one or multiple process ID, but a single interface can bring only a single process ID. And it does not necessary to match process ID one or two neighbor router. It means what we want to give process ID, you can assign. They is not necessary to match all the process ID. Okay, ma'am.
सर
OSPF packet.
वो राउट
OSPF has
ओएसपीएफ 1
5 packets.
1 जो बताए वही प्रोसेस आईडी है ना?
OSPF packet, hello packet, DBT packet, LSR packet, LSQ packet, and LS acknowledgement. So hello packet, this packet is used to discover neighbor, and after discovery, this packet is used to maintain the neighbor. This packet generated every 10 seconds. Next packet is DVD packet database description. When router becomes first time neighbor, router never sent a full database to its neighbor. Router forward only summary of the database by using DVD packet. Okay, man. Suppose first time I can meet you, only I can give a summary of my introduction. Just like in this also, when router become first time neighbor, only it sends a summary of database by using DVD packet. LSR link
Sending
statement.
complete database description is difficult, right? Or is it possible to send complete database description?
Ma'am, it sends. We will discuss in this also,
Okay. Yeah.
this packet. Okay. When next packet is LSR. When its neighbor receive DBD packet, router never sent full database and find the missing piece of information. Then router generate LSR to get the complete information of missing database. Okay, ma'am. In this, suppose we have two routers. Router 1 and router 2. Both are OSPF neighbor. OSPF. This one is also OSPF neighbor. So first time router 1 generate hello packet. This one is send hello packet. Okay. It also sends hello packet. Every router generates first hello packet for discover a neighbor. After that, it is used to maintain the neighbor. After neighborship, router 1 generate DBD packet. Just a minute. Down in it two-way start exchange loading full. Down it means no hello packet has been received on the interface or if something is misconfigured. In init state, router has received a hello message from the other OSPF router. Only it received from other router. Two-way hello packet is received and it is sent. It send of own hello packet. Bidirectional communication has been established. And in this hello packet router ID is also present. After that, X start. In this state, router exchange blank DBD, empty DBD. In this, MTU is compared. Maximum transmission unit is compared here. If MTU is mismatched, then our neighbor ship is stuck in the X start state. Also perform master and slave election in this state. By default, both announce themselves as a master in the blank DVD. After comparison, a router with highest router ID elected as the master. DR and BDR establish adjacency with each router with highest router ID elected as master. DR and BDR adjacency with each router in this network. In
सर फिर से
exchange,
वो ये स्टार्टिंग से थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कीजिए.
in this state, blank DVD is sent and MTU is compared, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
तो वो सेंट नहीं लिखा है.
Ma'am, exchange लिखा है.
ओके. एक्सचेंज ब्लैंक
DVD.
डीवीडी. ओके.
And also MTU is compared here. Master and slave election perform. DVD, DR and BDR election is performed. Okay, ma'am. This concept after this theory. Exchange in this state router sends summary of database means DVD packet. In loading, LSR sent, LSU sent, and LS acknowledgement sent. This three packet exchange in the loading state. And in full, in this router are adjacent. Or we say that neighbor from one router to another router. If any type of question, firstly we have to configure the IP addresses 10.0.0.1. Router 1 IP is 10.0.0.2. On router 2 10.0.0.3 IP. On router 3 10.0.0.4 IP. Okay, now we configure the OSPF on all the routers.
सर बीच वाला क्या है?
This is switch.
स्विच. ओके.
So router OSPF process ID is 1, network is 10.0.0.0, area is sorry.